supports your immune system, ang ating magandang coach at magaling na coach, Coach Angel Angelica Fajardo. Good morning!
Hi, good morning po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much, Mother Jessie. Okay, welcome po, no? So today po ay meron po akong task, no, ibahagi sa inyo yung isa sa mga best tips ni Susan Bowerman. So she works with Herbalife at ang topic ko po this afternoon is how good nutrition supports your immune system. Okay po? Ako na po mag-share ng screen. Ayan. So, before po Herbalife, I used to weigh 65 kilograms, very low energy, irregular menstruation, lack of bone density, and through the help of the proper nutrition, aloe tea and shake, I've lost an amazing 20 amazing pounds at incredible yung naging journey. Lahat ng mga discomforts has been improved. And of course, my favorite products are number one, aside from the aloe tea shake, is Extra Cal. And I love the community na meron po kami ngayon kasi amazing kasi even I started alone, now even my husband loves the products as well as the community. Okay? So, ayan. So, ayan po, no? So, let's start na po with my special topic. Okay? So, again, ang topic ko po is paano ba nakakatulong ang nutrisyon para masuportahan yung ating immune system. Okay? Lagi natin po naririnig yung immune system, no? Ngayon nagdaan yung mga bagyuhan, ulanan, okay? So, bakit po, no? Bakit ko nabanggit, Coach, napapansin nyo ba? Typical yung ubo, sipon, every time na umuulan, nagkakaroon ng ganitong bagyuhan. It is because of ang Pinoy po, no? They tend to focus on securing their immune health kapag ka nandiyan na ang concern. Okay, bakit? Kasi kapag po umuulan, bumabagyo, ang mga tao po ay nasa loob lang ng bahay. So ang tendency po nito, yung air circulating natin is intact lang in our house that can lead po saan? Yon, hawa-hawa na po. Once nagkaroon yung isa, mabilis na po makadapo to different body. Okay? So sa iba't ibang katawan. Okay? So ngayon po, bakit ba mahalaga na napapag-usapan yung kailangan meron kang strong immunity level? Kailangan may strong immunity system ang katawan ng tao. Kasi number one po, no, ang immunity system, siya po yung pumoprotect sa ating buong katawan, no, para po, no, madepensahan yung katawan natin sa mga parating na mga harmful toxins, bacteria, and even po yung mga parasites, no? And isa sa mga learnings po no na sinabi ni Susan Bowerman dito is that an effective immune system that functions properly ay nakadepende po sa number one, nutritious diet and healthy lifestyle na meron ng isang katawan. So sabi niya, the best nutrition as possible so that it can continues to work properly and it keep you, no, safe from illness and infections. Okay? Ayan. So, meron po tayong tinatawag na antibody, no? So, ito po ay isang protein produced mula sa ating body's immune system. So, ang ginagawa po is when it detects harmful substances such as antigen. So, imagine na lang natin that we have these special forces na kapag may parating na po tayong mga harmful substances sa katawan natin, yung antibody siya yung tagapagsangga ng mga ito. Okay? So, meron po talaga ang ating katawan na tinatawag na antibodies. Okay? So, ito po yung binigay ni Susan Bowermans na mga tips, no? So, number one is get enough of protein. Number two is eat fruits and vegetables. Number three is look after your digestive health. And lastly, check nyo po if your food daw is nakabalance or varied diet. Okay? Okay, so let's talk about yung first niyang tip. So number one is get enough of protein. So naririnig po natin yung protein, no? Commonly pag narinig yan, naiisip natin yung mga ulam like ng itlog, karning manok, okay? So bakit ba mahalaga yung protein para sa pang-support ng immune system? So sabi po dito, yung immune system po includes the white blood cells that make antibodies. So ibig sabihin, kung lack tayo ng protein intake, ang tendency po is hindi po tayo magkakaroon ng full raw materials para magkaroon tayo ng right, yung intact na absorption ng ating immune system. So, ang specialized proteins that targets the eliminate yung mga parating, no, na mga germs, and to keep producing these antibodies, your body needs enough protein in your diet. Okay? Kaya kung laging na yung naririnig sa mga coaches nyo, ma'am, you know what, it is good, it has protein. So, it's not just about nakakabusog lang, but it is the number one nutrition na kinakailangan po ng ating immunity system para po makapag-defense po ang ating immunity systems against all odds, no? Against all those parating na mga invaders or mga, sabihin na nating mga bacteria. Okay? So, according to Susan Bowerman, maraming available na protein, pero if you are focused on boosting the immunity system as well as maintaining your health, okay? Choose yung soy-based na protein. Okay? Soy-based, it is the number one protein na mabilis ma-digest among all the kinds of protein. Okay? Then, number two is eat fruits and vegetables. Pero pag chinek mo, syempre, no, Coach, kumakain naman ako ng prutas at saka ng mga gulay. So, ito po yon. Pwede po kayong pumili ng source ng prutas at gulay na mayaman po sa tinatawag nating vitamin A, no? Kasi ang vitamin A, tumutulong po yan to support, no, sa pag-maintain at mag-maintain of normal skin and yung mucous membranes. Mamaya po, explain po yun ni Coach Angge. And then, yung vitamin C naman is nakakatulong yan para makakontribute to reduce po, of course, yung feeling of tiredness and fatigue. Okay, yan. And number three, yan, look after your digestive system. So, yung digestive system natin is talagang ano po yan, connecta po kasi yung ating, di ba, yung ating body system. So, when your system is populated with good bacteria, especially yung ating gut, no? They also help to get rid of potentially harmful bacteria that may enter your digestive tract. Okay? So, coach, naka-protein na naman ako pero bakit parang hindi pa rin bumabalanse? Ano pang kailangan ko idagdag? Okay? Kailangan meron kang good source of good bacteria para mas lumaban ang katawan mo against doon sa mga bad bacteria. Okay? Hindi masama walang katawan, walang bad bacteria. Pero kung mas mataas ang bad bacteria mo, doon ka po magkakaproblema. Okay? Next is a balanced and varied diet. So, many medical conditions, according to Susan Bowerman, may impair your immunity. Okay? Meaning, diet alone often isn't enough. Pero, kasi sabi nga 'di ba, pag sinearch mo on Google, ano ba yung best diet? Ang dami pong lalabas diyan. Okay? According to our doctor, ang healthy individual, well-rounded, should have a personalized diet, no, na makakatulong para yung kanyang immune system mag-function optimally. Okay? So, ano ba yung pwedeng balanced diet? It can be yung tinatawag natin sa Herbalife na 40-30-30. 40% carbohydrates, healthy carbs, 30% meron kang good fat, 30% meron ka namang protein. Okay, yan. So, yan. And, yan. So, in my case, of course, as a wellness coach ng Herbalife, no, yung mga tips ni Susan Bowerman, I also realized na we are so lucky because we have this kind of community that can support and help us doon sa mga products na kinakailangan. Okay? So we have available foods sa ref, okay, sa market. But this time, if you want to secure at least meron kang adequate amount of those nutrition na kinakailangan mo on a daily basis, number one is to start with your protein. So our shake, F1 shake, is containing 9 grams of protein in every serving. So tandaan mo, your body weight is in need of 1:1. Pag sinabing 1:1, 1 gram of protein per body weight, per kg of your body weight. Okay? So, meron ka ng 9 grams agad in just one serving of shake. Kung dalawa ka, you will get 18 grams of protein. But if you need more, okay, if you want more, you can add this personalized protein powder kasi meron na po siyang mabigat na 5 grams at very low calorie. Okay? So, 20 calories lang. So, pag pinag-combine mo po yan sa isang timplahan, meron ka ng 14 grams ng protein. Okay? Kaya karamihan po no sa atin na nagshi-shake. Bakit ganun, coach? Parang mas tumibay ako nung nag-take lang ako ng shake no in the morning as well as meron pang personalized protein powder. It's because of yung immune cells mo is receiving adequate amount of protein na kinakailangan niya para lumaban on a daily basis. Okay? Number two is, sabi ni Susan, tignan mo yung digestive system mo. Dapat meron yung good bacteria. So, good news in our Herbalife, we have a solution na makakatulong for your good bacteria source. So, meron tayong tinatawag na Simply Probiotic. So, ang Simply Probiotics natin is not typical probiotics because wala siyang kinakailangan na shelf life na kailangan i-ref to, kailangan ma-maintain yung kanyang temperature. Ito pwede sa lahat. Pwedeng, kasi powder siya, hindi po siya liquid. 'Di ba? Typical sa mga probiotics sa market, liquid, na pwedeng maapektuhan, number one, yung temperature, pwedeng bumaba yung kanyang quality. Okay? Plus, number two is, it contains po yung Ganiden BC30 o yung tinatawag na Bacillus coagulans, no? And good thing about this Bacillus coagulans, ito yung bacteria strain na nakakatulong na even from a very harsh at saka yung pinaka acidic at pinaka, di ba po may mga ganun kayong kakilala, sobrang acidic yung kanyang digestive health, sobrang harsh ng environment, unhealthy yung kanyang stomach going down to the intestines. Yung ating Simply Probiotics, kaya po niya makasurvive, okay? Kahit anong level pa ng dumi ang meron sa iyong stomach, sa iyong gut health, sa iyong intestines. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, it works 100% at buong-buo siyang marireceive ng intestines mo. And kapag ganun, of course, mabuboost yung iyong immunity level and makakatulong sa digestions. Kung dating hirap ka din magpupo, it can help dun sa inyong indigestions. Okay? Then next is, ayan, no? Ang dami po nating best products na pwedeng mong ipag-combine. So, number three is supplements na pwedeng makaprovide sa'yo ng vitamin A and vitamin C. Okay? So, meron po tayo nitong vitamins and minerals, no? So, isa sa mga vitamins content niya is vitamin A and vitamin C. So, meron po siya, combination. Yung Ocular Defense, it also contains vitamin A as beta-carotene, okay? And of course, hindi lang siya pag sinabing ocular, pang mata lang siya. Meron po ito, no? Vitamin A nakakatulong. And then, Immulif, no? Immulif, health support with Epicor. Yung Epicor tumutulong sa first and second layer defense. Pag sinabing first, it can be your skin, it can be your mucus, yung mula sa iyong mula sa iyong paghinga, okay? Yan. So, meron siyang vitamin C, meron din siyang zinc na yan. Makakatulong po sila all in all. So, number one, why you need vitamin C? It protects your immunity cells from the oxidative stress. Kahit anong puyat, no? Example, puyat ka na palagi, expose ka sa mga oxidative stress, sa mga pollutants, sa mga pollutions, kung ano-ano pa. Tapos wala ka man lang protection, wala ka man lang inad sa katawan mo para makapag-protect yung body mo. And then yung vitamin E naman, it helps of course sa development and function ng iyong immune cells. Kung ang immune cells mo is very weak, si vitamin A naman yung tutulong sa kanya para siya ay mag-develop at mag-function ng maayos. Okay? And overall, very important is yung nutrition philosophy natin. Pag pinag-combine mo siya parehas, everything po, no, nasa isang kainan mo, okay, it can result to, as well as meron kang 20% physical activities, your immune system, it can result to a better and well-functioning na body system. Okay? So that's all lang po from my end. Thank you so much. Back to you, Mother Jessie.
Okay, so thank you so much, Coach Angelica. So very well discussed. So ikaw mo naiintindihan mo na paano nagfa-function ng ating immune system. So maraming salamat po. We may say thank you to both of you. So husband and wife po. So ako lang magbibigay din po ng aking konting Paalaala, importante kumakain ka kasi napifeel mo ang stomach mo, but relevant sa discussion sa value of healthy breakfast at topic about immunity, we should focus on good carbs, good protein, good fats, along with the enhancers na meron ng Herbalife, mga supplements para magkaroon ng balanced nutrition leading to better immune system along with the pillars of good nutrition na laging dinidiscuss ni Coach Cecil Garcia. So maraming